welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my videos. So today I'm going to make chicken curry. I'm going to use lots of onions, tomatoes and some green peas. That also I will put in the chicken, and lot of Dhaniya Patti. So today the chicken curry will be a little different taste. So I hope you all will like it. So come on, I will show you the ingredients. I have taken 3 paws of chicken. Onions are cut and kept. You can see. This is the tomato. This is the green peas. The coriander. And the masala what I am going to use. That is. This is got ginger, garlic, black pepper and jeera. I made this into a paste. This also I am going to use. This is chicken masala. This also I will use, and the rest while making the recipe I will show. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, put some mustard oil. Put in the chopped onion. I will fry the onions. Friends, you can see the onion is turned brown. Put in the salt. Put in some turmeric powder. Put in the chili powder. And the masala which I have ground and kept, that also I will put in. Let the masalas fry properly. Friends, the masala has gone brown. Now I will put the chicken masala. The chicken. I will let the chicken fry with the masalas little bit. Friends, you can see the chicken frying with the masala. Now I will put in the peas, the green matar. Put in the chopped tomatoes. Put in the coriander leaves. And I will let the chicken fry along with the tomato, dhaniya patti and with the green matar. Friends, you can see the chicken is fried up with the tomatoes, with the peas and dhaniya patti. It's fried up nicely. Now I will put some Kashmiri mirch. This will give it a nice color. I won't put much. The chicken is already cooked up, half cooked. And I will mix the water now. See, the color also of the chicken has come nice. Now I will add some vinegar. This is white vinegar, you can see. So I have put little. The taste will completely change. Now I will add some water. This much of water I am using. I won't put much water because the chicken is already half cooked. Now I will cover it up and let the water bubble. Friends, you can see the chicken cooking, how nice it's looking. The color also has come nicely. Friends, watch the full video. Don't skip the video. And try this recipe and comment how this recipe is made. Thank you for watching my video.